We wrap up the world's biggest night show on 99.7 now. Number one for all the hits and Big Baby Wonders. My name is Big Reed. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. We had a good time tonight, right? I can agree, y'all. We set a safe space and a positive environment for you just to get away from all the craziness, all right? Just kick back in your room, maybe riding to or from work and just turn the radio on with me, and everything is okay, all right? So if you ever want to hear something special, you need someone to talk to, you can always hit me up at Big Reed Radio, BIGREID Radio. That's on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that kind of good stuff. And I'll see you tomorrow, Night Show fam. Peace.
The spell is cast. Halloween time is back at the Disneyland Resort.
And 99.7 now has your chance to experience the magic. Happy Hauntings are returning to both Disney California Adventure Park and Disneyland Park.
Fiendish family fun happening now through October 31st.
And you won't want to miss the Spellabration.
Visit 997now.com to see how you can win 2-day, 1 subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
I'm seeing something. It's smiling at me. But not a friendly smile. The worst smile I've ever seen in my life.
Do you see it right now?
Smile, rated R. Only in theaters September 30th.
Ever since I got the new Galaxy Z Flip 4, I've been learning all these new tricks with my dog Finn. Like how to take the best selfies at the park. I just set my phone down, put it in flex mode, and capture hands-free pics from multiple angles. Or how to capture our training sessions for his followers. I simply wave my hand to start recording video. Good boy! Plus, the Z Flip 4 is compact. Perfectly in my pocket.
Visit Samsung.com today to get the new Galaxy Z Flip 4. Hey, what's going on? It's Benny, Nikki, and Greg from Big Bad Mornings. If you're ever injured in an accident, I want you to call a firm that has a reputation for helping injured accident victims in a big way. I'm talking about Sweet James Accident Attorneys. Just this year alone, Sweet James has won at least $90 million for their injured clients. Here are just some of the most recent sweet settlements. $1.5 million won for an auto accident victim who experienced a terrible back injury. $1 million won for an injured victim who seriously hurt his foot after being struck by a truck. $480,000 won for a client who was seriously hurt after he was knocked off his motorcycle by another motorist. $250,000 for an auto accident victim who experienced a head injury. And these are just a few. I mean, we could go on for days. And the best part is every time Sweet James settles a case, they donate meals to families in need. They have fed almost 70,000 people since 2021. So if you've been injured, you gotta call Sweet James. Voted best attorneys in America. 800-500-5200. That's 800-500-5200 and sweetjames.com. Hey, this is Craig, still loving my LASIK vision thanks to Harvard MD Dr. Scott Hiver. So are you sick of these crazy Bay Area prices everywhere you look? Then good news, because Dr. Hiver is now attacking inflation head on. That's right, Dr. Hiver is now rolling back his prices on all laser LASIK. In fact, he's rolling prices back years, all the way back to 2012. So here's your chance to save yourself a bunch of money on these low LASIK prices from the past while getting state-of-the-art LASIK technology with Dr. Hiver. But the special 10-year LASIK price rollback offer ends October 30th. So call now to schedule your free LASIK evaluation with Dr. Hiver in Daly City, Santa Clara, or San Ramon. Just go to scotthiver.com. That's SCOTTHY, V as in vision, ER.com.
This offer is not good on prior purchases and other restrictions apply. The proceeding was a paid endorsement. Scott Hiver Vision Care Inc., a professional medical corporation.
Escape to the Mexican Riviera in style with Celebrity Cruises. 25% off your second guest and added savings of 50%. Plus, enjoy a bonus credit to spend on board. Contact your travel advisor or visit celebrity.com. Offer expires October 12, 2022. Additional restrictions apply. Ships registry Malta and Ecuador.
Hello?
Hey, did you see the concert Erica posted about?
Mm-hmm. Got my ticket, my mask, and a negative COVID test result. You going?
Girl, you already know. But guess who's not going?
Don't tell me. Coco. I heard she got the Rona.
Yep, she didn't get vaccinated, and now it's hitting her hard.
Too bad. I hope she gets vaccinated now.
I'm glad we got boosted.
Me too.
Don't let the fun slip through your fingers. Mask up, stay home, and test if you feel sick. Vaccinated and boosted to protect against COVID-19. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
Hey, what's going on? St. John here, 99.7. So just how fast is Xfinity Internet with supersonic Wi-Fi, you ask? Well, it's really fast, like beyond gig speed fast. It's got 3 times the bandwidth and the power to connect hundreds of devices all at once. That way the whole family can game, can stream, or work all at the same time. Now that is power. Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free $40 a month with a 2-year internet rate and no annual contract when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data at regular rates. All you gotta do, go to xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XFINITY or visit the store today. Limited time offer, restrictions apply, requires paperless billing and auto pay. New gigabit extra internet customers only. Taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity internet. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes, wireless usage after 24 months, regular rates apply. Requires compatible Xfinity gateway.
I absolutely love my dog, but the constant shedding, not so much. But then I got a Swiffer Sweeper pet kit, and it is amazing. Wow, these super thick cloths pick up a crazy amount of hair. Just look at all that. And that was from just one swipe. And the best part? Sweeper's so much easier to maneuver than a broom or a vacuum, easily getting around chairs and under the couch. You're right. Now I can focus on you, not your shedding. Swiffer Sweeper pet kit. Because shed has
quickly clean up after your bed.
Very nice now.
Hey, now.